wakala endlebeni
오늘따라 모든 게 지겨운 것만 같아 저기 지나가는 사람들 같은 표정들 짓고 있잖아
I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. See yet another vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And yes, essentially, we are heading to Dala Nature Reserve in Doni Camp to go workshop Abindwana about Siakhaya. Yabo. So yeah, we're working this morning, and I'm traveling on forward to Tulani Bongwe. And yeah, we're gonna meet up with Ukonzile so that he can cover the workshop. And now I was just having breakfast on the go. Aero the plot. We just grabbed something to eat at KFC and Bang Tumile Ngangene Spa, and I got some few things because Lavakona was a campaign. They haven't been able to go to shops, so the only way they could get what they wanted is to tuma someone who's outside coming the campaign. Yabo. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog. I hope you love it here. Sigundwele, yeah, every Sunday for the month of July, just to measure our consistency and see can we really do this thing now. And yeah, man, really hope you enjoy this vlog. And let's go to Mdala. I'm gonna pass by Ekhaya Kwaskosana to grab a branding Yesachaya and change, put on a shirt, and yeah, that's just it. It's not gonna be something long. We're gonna like workshop them for like 30 minutes. Depends on how the conversation is flowing with the kids and everything. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna take you guys with me. And yeah, I did my own face again, 4th time doing my face. And yeah, man, the lighting though, yeah, but I don't like the look without lashes. Too little, man. Too cool for my liking. I done the too late, but it's too cool. Anyway, we're not complaining. Let's be on the road. Cheers. Yeah. Good morning, Wasuri. Ish, ilangin nalo. Yeah, Saturday morning at camp, and I just woke up. Yokulala bus. Kodla mhle kubuhlungu. Ayengaqina. But yeah, today is the finale whereby we'll be choosing Indoni Ndebele Queen 2025 to 2026. King and Queen, the one that are gonna represent Amandebele. And yeah, I'll be on the judging panel today, so yeah, we'll see how everything goes, but I'll be like in the forefront. So when it comes to who wins, especially when it's crowning time, I'll be like in the front, giving you premium content. And yeah, so ngidlulile, and I wanna put on my gown, wash. I'm gonna eat and then brush my teeth and then maybe bath, and yeah, just prepare, start doing my face. But I think I'm just gonna apply foundation because anyway I'll be sitting down, and I'll be having my spectacles on, so I'm stressed so low, stress you blush or whatever. Yeah, but and also I'm late, and just also do my face as well. I couldn't wake up too early. I felt hey, it's cold, and I think you should just sleep. Anyway, yeah, eating in when they come in Golanga. Cheers. Don't have a mirror, and my upper eyes keep on creasing. I asked someone to apply a foundation on my face and do some contour and some blush, and I think I love it. I told her not to do my eyebrows because the situation here. I'm gonna put on a blanket, but I'll attach a full picture somewhere here. Yeah, but almost done, and I feel like I'm gonna feel cold, hey. Because it's so cold. Because why must I see some creases? Anyway, I'm gonna put on my spectacles either way, because I'm not gonna be able to read questions for the contestants if I don't put on my. But I feel like it's a little too little. But it complements the color. Okay.
Yeah, Baba, tumeli man. Yeah, Baba, tumeli man. Abandona balambiro. Yeah, Baba, tumeli man. Yeah, Baba, tumeli man. Para Baba, tumeli man. Abandona balambiro. Musukelange pitori. Solo when I'm to marry, Musukelange pitori. Solo to marry, yeah, Baba, to marry. abantwana balambile wena baba sosibongile hey baba thumela imali ngithi baba sosibongile hey baba thumela imali abantwana balambile hey baba thumela imali
mkhweleli ngewetata ngelatu ukuzwakala endlebeni ezwako nezwisisa lami lokusabela ngikhulekani ake ngibode ngithinge ekhethu kwasikhosana kusikhosana sikamuthi kamhlanga umhlanga kombo kananasi yikunzi ngiyakwagwazana
ubone ubuhle nokuthakga akwandebele maSewula Afrika lamabizo ngisabele ngingubuhle ngingubafunani iThelerina lakwamasango
kumasango uThumango liphonde libovu lakwamasango namhlanje ngakahlabi lihlabile lahlabisa ithila lahlabisa incwadi lahlaba umnyoni kumasungubala ngusongede kuwasonga isela senkosi sekhamba sebuya singakanethwa mhla izulu lini hewa chukok namasango wathi mntwana nami ngendlebe ulalele nabophako ukhongozele nakuyipi ubaleke ngoba kwathatha
mina ngirhawukela magaleke bona babaleki ngirhawukela magaleke usebenzi